In this video, I'm going to demonstrate on how to select multiple elements in Canva. This process is very important if you are working on multiple elements and you don't want to repeat the same editing process or the same settings all over again. Then it's always a good idea to basically select multiple objects, and then later you can apply the same settings or the same effect to those objects. Now I have this design and there are multiple elements that I'm going to select so they can be grouped together. So let's start with this simple text boxes. There are two text boxes and I'm going to select them. The first method is by using the cursor. So if you actually click on an empty area on the screen and then you drag it like this, it will cover the area that is occupied by these two elements. When you realistically, now these two elements are selected, and then you can do something like editing or also grouping these two elements. So when you move any of them, that would the other element will follow. So that was for the first method. The second method is also pretty easy. You can click on any object. It could be a picture as well. For example, if I select this picture and then I want to select this text, I can press and hold the shift key, and then I'm going to click to every single object that I want to select. I can do this. I can also select this orange background and this decoration, and now these elements, they are different, but now they are selected together. And then of course you can group them, or you can also delete or move them into a different position. So that was the second method, and that's usually the only thing you can do, except maybe you want to select all of the elements. You can press the keyboard shortcut Ctrl and A. That essentially will select all elements except for the background. The same is true if you are using the click method. You can click and then drag the whole thing here to be covered the entire slide, and you got this. So that's how you can select multiple elements in Canva. If you find this video to be helpful, please consider subscribing to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.